Next, you will need to use the document.querySelector to get the start screen and checkpoint screen elements. Store them in const variables called start screen and checkpoint screen respectively. So first, let's type in the keyword const and then the variable names. First one would be the start screen. And then use a document query selector to get the selector. First one would be start screen. What? Start screen. Wow, I'm so good at typing. And then the second one would be the variable checkpoint screen. Assign it to document and then the document and the query selector which is the selector name is a checkpoint dash screen. Okay, what did we do wrong? Document query selector, it seems to be the period here because it is a selector. So if this part is to access the HTML and reference the ID of that element to be manipulated in JavaScript, then this part is to use or to access the CSS file and then reference the selector from the HTML, from the CSS file, rather, which are the selector start screen and checkpoint screen, in order for our JavaScript to manipulate it. Because we are interacting the DOM, the document object model. So that would be it. Nice.